All right, I am here with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi. Today we're going to discuss bike accidents in downtown Los Angeles. And there's a couple areas of downtown Los Angeles that are very highly trafficked, whether it be with people or car, can be a little dangerous in downtown Los Angeles. So David, after an individual has been in a bike accident, what is the process and how do they go through understanding what is available when it comes to recovering from the accident or even filing a lawsuit?
Well, with any bike accident, unfortunately, the ones I've handled, the injuries are usually pretty severe because you're sharing the road a lot of times with you're sharing the road a lot of times with other vehicles, whether you're on the sidewalk or if you're on the street riding along with the flow of traffic. Now, the rule is, depending on the city or the county, there are ordinances which allow some of them allow you to ride a bicycle on the sidewalk, some of them don't. So with that, in regards to that, there's a lot of websites. I just did a search. There's a website called la-bike-.org, which talks about bikes being able to ride on the sidewalk or not. So if anybody lives in a certain city and wants to double check and make sure as to whether they can ride on the sidewalk or not, that's one of the websites they can check, or just check with the city to make sure as to whether you can ride on the sidewalk or the street. So that's what I would say. If it is, I get calls from a lot of clients a lot of times saying, I was riding on the sidewalk, I was going against traffic, and this car came out and it hit me, and they're saying it's my fault because I was going against traffic. Well, in that scenario, if you check the city ordinance, and the city ordinance allows you to ride on a sidewalk, there's actually a case law that says, look, there's nothing that prohibits you riding on the sidewalk, and so whether you're going against traffic or with the flow of traffic, it doesn't matter. The vehicle coming out of an alley or a driveway had the responsibility to make sure that they watch out. The reverse of that is, if you are driving off the sidewalk on the street, then the law requires that you do go with the flow of traffic. And as far as recovering for a bicycle versus a vehicle, bus accident, a lot of times, unfortunately, because you're a bicycle, vehicles don't pay attention, or they're not necessarily looking for a bicycle. They're looking to see if there's a vehicle next to them, and next thing you know, they make a turn and take you out and cause severe injuries. But in those circumstances, I say that give us a call. We'll take a look at the facts of the case and see how the accident happened, and it's a case by case. We'll be able to tell you if you have a claim and as to whether the vehicle or whatever caused your injury is at fault for causing your accident.
Absolutely, and you'll be able to find the phone number for the law offices of David Azizi both above in the YouTube video as well as below in the info. Thank you for your time, David.
All right, thank you.